This is a quick video showing you how to do a race result on the PAS system and throw in a bit of Bricon Club Editor as well for clubs who have more than one system, as in other than Bricon. So first off, I'm after clocking all the pages from race, and if I click here, I can see my pages are all home there, and velocities and all that good stuff. And if I click on this casual here, this is the public kind of result, the live result, and you can see nobody can see that you've clocked. Okay, so when you go to club on the Saturday for your bang off, you go to the races and then you select the race that you are racing from. In this case it was a casual race, so I'm going to pick that. Only the club responsible will have this screen, and only the club responsible have this button here. So when I press this button, it will bang all of the PAS live clocks, and what you'll see appearing here will be an A. So press this, and when I press it, the result will now be live. So I press that, the A has appeared. If I go back here to my race and I click on this, everyone can now see my times. So you cannot see the times until that sync button is pressed. So I'm going to go back to the race here, and there is my pigeons. Now I've also stuck a speedy in this race, so I'm going to go and read that in. So on my master, I go to read out and I go OK. And it's going to go and get the race from PAS Live that I set up for today. Connect the clock. It's going to read the information in. So while I'm on here, you can see that all I've got is the eye here for the speedy clock. If I click on here, this is my race result. I can see the result for all of the pages that were on the PAS system. So at the moment, only one clock on it. But if I go back here now, I'm going to pick the race here, synchronize the clock. It's going to read the information from the speedy. And that's it done. Take the clock out. When I go back here now and refresh, I'm going to have the second arrival sheet. And I can go in here and I can print that off any normal printer, give it a fancier, they sign it. So when I go back to the result here now, you can see that all of the Bricon pigeons are now in this result. Now, if you were all on Bricon, your result is done. If you have other systems, you might want to try using our Bricon Club Editor program. And if you go back into the club result here, you can see XML. So I'm going to click on it, and it generates an XML file. So I open up my Bricon Club Editor window. I start a casual race, as you normally would. I go race, and casual is in here. Oops, casual is in here. And what I can do now is I can import that race readout. There's my readout from my downloads. Click open. So when I go to my results here, there's result. And if I want to add in any other systems, I go back to details, I click on manual, and I can put in the guys who are on the other systems. So that's basically how you transfer from PAS to the BCE program if that's what you use for doing your results.